So for my Google Classroom tutorial, I am going to teach you how to email students within the Google Classroom platform. First thing you need to do is open up Google Classroom. Once you're in your classroom, select the class of the students you need to email. We'll use our sample class today. Once you're in your class, up at the top, in your choices of stream, classwork, people, and grades, you need to click on people because we are trying to email students. So you've got your teachers above and your students below. Go ahead and find the students you'd like to email. You can click on just one student or you can select multiple students. Once you've selected who you want to email, go up to the actions box, click the arrow down, and select email. This will open up a new tab in your Gmail, and you'll notice that the student's email has already been automatically inserted. So this just saves you a step of having to re-enter an email every time you want to talk to a student through email. So you just fill out your subject and compose your email, and then down here you'll simply push send, and that is one way to email within Google Classroom. I'm going to go back and show you a second option. Again, once you're in your class, you go over to people again, find your students. I'm going to use the same example. Instead of clicking the box next to the student, the other thing you can do is go over here to the three dots or the more button, click on that, and you also have under your more options is to email student. So click on email student, and this is another way just to this way you only get to select one at a time, but another good option for it to use the email that's already in Google Classroom pulls up into a new screen, and just a quick, fast way to email your students.